If you're thinking about signing up for mSPY, definitely watch this video first. I've been using mSPY for a couple months now, and I want to share everything that you should know before trying it out too. I'll go over its features, my own experience using it, and some of the issues I had with the app. If at any point while watching you decide to give mSPY a try, there's a link in the video description below. And if you do decide to sign up, you'll get a 50% discount on your chosen plan. Alright, now let's dive right in. mSPY is a monitoring and tracking app that can be used to ensure the safety of the people you care about. It's mainly meant as a parental control app. So if you're a parent worried about what their children are doing on the internet, then this app might be worth checking out. With mSPY, you can access someone's data from your own phone or PC. You can check messages, what sites or apps they're using, what they're watching, and more. Although it cannot record phone calls, mSPY can show you the details like who they contacted, when the call was, and for how long it went on. And you can monitor things like their social media and different messaging apps. With their GPS tracking, you can check where your loved ones are anytime, anywhere. This is perfect for parents who are worried about their children's whereabouts. But it's also great if you just want to share your location with your partner or family for safety reasons. It even shows the route history. And you can also set up so-called safe zones. So if ever the GPS tracker goes out of bounds, it immediately alerts you. And while parents can use it to access their kids' data, mSPY does protect the privacy of its users. All data and information are securely stored and can only be accessed by the parent and no one else. The mSPY app is easy to install on PC or Mac, and it's available on Android and iOS. Just head over to their site, use the link below, sign up, and you're good to go. If you're curious about how it works, mSPY offers a demo version. In this demo, users can see how it works from using the dashboard to the data that is shown. Their dashboard has a fairly simple design and it's user-friendly. This way, even users who aren't tech-savvy will have no problem figuring it out. But if you ever run into any issues with the app, mSPY customer service is available 24/7. When I contacted them, the team was really friendly and helpful. And the people I did speak to were able to help me immediately, which was really nice. Now let's talk about the pricing. So mSPY offers different plans based on how long you plan to use it. They have a premium plan, which is 3 options. 1-month plan at $48.99, a 3-month plan at $28 per month, and a 12-month plan at $11 per month. They also have an extreme plan that includes some extra features specific to Android, with a 3-month plan at $69.99 per month, a 6-month plan at $39.99 per month, and a 12-month plan at $16.66 per month. If you want to monitor multiple devices, their Family Kit plan lets you check up to 3 devices per subscription. One thing I did not like about mSPY though is while it's great for monitoring your kids effectively, it doesn't allow you to control the limit on their app usage. It would be better if the parents could limit their children's use on certain apps. You can actually completely block the apps, but not put a time and limit on them. And the GPS tracking is not super accurate. Just like apps like Google Maps, the location will often be off by a few meters. And if the device is being tracked in an area with slow mobile data, it might take a little longer to update. But overall, mSPY is a great parental control app. They have a lot of features that are helpful for those who want to ensure the safety and security of their loved ones. It's also a bit pricey, but compared to the cheaper apps, they do have more features to offer. And if you do decide to try out mSPY, make sure to take advantage of the discount link in the video description below to save yourself some money on their subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment should you have any questions. Thanks for watching.